here it is. I promised you the cheap Drill Master 18-volt cordless drill versus a, well, reasonably big auger bit. I opted for the 3/4 inch auger bit because, well, this is the one that gets used for drilling holes in like tree stumps for stump rot and things like that. And I can't imagine another reason why I would want an auger bit. So, well, we're going to go ahead and see how this cordless drill does its job. Okay, the workpiece is just a piece of scrap 2x4 that I've got locked down in my vise. Just some kind of cheap pine. Came from the Home Improvement Center, probably Home Depot. And we're just gonna, I'll pick something in view of the camera, and we're gonna see how well this does. Well, I'd say that wasn't making very good progress. Now, let's demonstrate this with a cheap Ryobi corded drill. Now I've got the speed lock on here, so I'm just going to click it in. Set my clutch to something actually useful. There's one hole. And there's one hole completely unassisted by the cordless drill. So, now I know there's a lot of guys out there that swear by cordless drills. And I'm also aware this is an exceedingly cheap cordless drill. $20 for the drill, the battery, the charger, and a 18-volt flashlight. However, this is not, in my experience, unique to this cheap cordless drill. It's good for running screws, but that's about it. And drilling small holes in softwood. Well, so there we go. There you go, guys. That's the video I promised you. Cheap Harbor Freight 18-volt cordless drill versus, and really not that large of a spade bit. Who will win? Do I really need to tell you? Because if I do, you need to watch the video again. This drill bit, this spade or auger bit, kicked this drill's butt. Alright guys, that's it. That's my video. I thank you for watching. If you like what I'm doing, click the like and subscribe buttons below so you can be kept up with what I'm releasing next. And as always, get out there, have fun in your shop, be creative, be safe, most of all, be blessed. See you next time.